Loca tape say Loca. It's not even Loca tape. It's Loca glue. Just be careful right there, as that's the camera. Yeah, the reason why I take these off is because after you take off the screen, these are just going to be weak. They're never going to have a strong gasket seal, so I'm going to put a completely new gasket, completely new seal. But first I'm going to try to put it on here and test everything out. And then once everything is tested out, then I will add my Tessa tape. Everything should be great. It'll be like it never happened. The chair is loud. I have a very squeaky chair tonight. And yes, I am the midnight repair artist. It's 1:13 a.m. right now. Yeah, I guess I like to work on this kind of stuff at night. It's kind of when I'm wide awake. When I guess the rest of the world has turned off, and I'm like, still out there. Batman, kind of like Batman, you know. I'm not gonna say I'm Batman, but you've never seen Batman and me in the same place at the same time before, so there's that. You know, he is a pretty awesome character. The Dark Knight. And his nemesis, the Joker. Yeah, my favorite Joker is